What's up, guys? It's your boy Billy back again with yet another video. Today we're going to hit chest. I'm going to show you my chest routine and how you can grow bigger pecs as well. So go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button. And go ahead and drop a comment to let me know what you guys want to see next. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and head inside the gym. Hit bench press, and then dips, and then we're out. That's it. That's all she wrote. So the exercises you just did, it puts a lot of pressure on your shoulders. So what I'm going to do now is an exercise to alleviate and take the tension off the shoulders. Alright guys, we're all done today. Thanks for coming out and working out with us. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm about to go home and cook some food, and I hope you're back with me next time. Take care.